This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to pay out your Skidmo host earnings from bookings of your short-term rentals. Please note that earnings become available for payout 24 hours after the check-in time you indicated when listing your property. To begin, navigate to your profile and access your dashboard where you manage all your properties. At this point, your payout method should already be set up. If it hasn't been added yet, please go to Payout Methods and add your preferred payment option. For this example, the payout method is already added. Next, navigate to Payouts to view any available balance for payout. Once earnings are available, click Request Payout. A confirmation prompt will appear displaying the payout destination, including the bank name and account number. Click OK to proceed. After submitting the request, the payout status will initially show as pending, then change to completed within a few seconds. You will also receive a notification confirming that the funds have been successfully credited to your account. And that's it. That's how to pay out your Skidmo host earnings in just a matter of seconds.